promise. Actually, it was really a conflict, a land of conflict. You must understand now that hindi naman tayo nililang. But unang pumasok kasi, ang Pilipinas, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. But Mindanao, when Magellan came in, ang Mindanao, Islam na. Because they were part of the Sri Visayas Empire of the ancient Malay. So yung teritoryo talaga na yan, kanila talaga. Ang problema, pagdating ni Magellan, dala niya yung reliyon, tsaka gobyerno. Tapos, yung una niya yung Visayas hanggang Luzon, tapos sinali niya yung Mindanao. Mindanao lumaban, panahon ng Kastila, lumaban panahon ng Amerikano,